Every second your machine runs with restricted mold cooling, it's costing you money. And most manufacturers look at the machine when the real problem is hidden inside the mold. Water channel cleaning unit, because cooling performance drives production performance. Cooling channels are rarely inspected until production performance declines. Inside, we find scale, rust, and corrosion that restrict the internal diameter. So, what's the most efficient solution? Well, this unit restores internal channel diameter using cavitation pulse technology. Microscopic shock waves that break scale and contamination from the channel wall, with high-pressure air and water that are released in controlled pulses. This is the material restricting your flow, now fully removed from the mold channel. The difference is significant. No wonder your cooling efficiency was declining. The setup begins by filling the tank with water to the designated float level indicator sticking out on the left here. Then connect the compressed air line to the unit's air inlet connection. Connect the unit's water outlet to the mold's cooling inlet. For demonstration, we use a transparent mold mock-up that shows where the pulsating water will completely pass through the internal channel and exiting at the outlet. Before the cycle starts, connect the mold's cooling channel outlet to the unit's water return inlet. Set the required parameters, then press Start to restore your cooling channels to peak performance. The Water Channel Cleaning Unit is the industry's solution for restoring cooling performance at scale. Visit MetalPress Machinery to learn more.